Hi, so welcome back. This is Chef Amy at the Iona Kitchen. This is Cooking with Killian for Homecoming Weekend 2020. We are making tonight, this is a boneless breast of chicken in a Dijon Florentine sauce. It's really simple and very elegant. So this is a great meal if you want to impress guests or have people over for dinner. It's fast and it's really, really good. So here we go. So here we are. I'm going to use a nice big skillet. This has a high side. I'm sure at home you don't have one quite like this. But since we're in a commercial kitchen, this is the one we're going to use. We have a medium-high flame here. And we're going to add some butter. And we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil. The olive oil helps the butter not burn as quickly. The two oils have different burning temperatures. Butter will burn faster than olive oil, so if you add the olive oil to your butter, it'll lower the temperature down. While this is heating up, we're going to gently coat our chicken with a little flour and salt and pepper. This is going to help brown it and give it a nice light crust. So I just do it all right on a pan. A little flour, little salt and pepper. I use a salt and pepper mix. It makes it easier than doing it 2 times. And then I have my nice thin cutlets that I just lightly dredge in the flour. My butter's starting to sizzle. That's a good thing that I know it's ready to add the chicken to the pan. So once this goes into the pan, we have our chicken. You can hear the nice sizzle on the butter and olive oil. And in our chicken goes. When you hear the sizzle sound, once you put the chicken in, you know your pan is hot enough. That's perfect. All right, so we're going to let the chicken cook till it's golden brown on both sides. Okay, so we're back with our chicken. We have a nice sizzle. You can see the butter is getting a little brown, which is great. We're going to tone it over. You can see we've got some nice color on our chicken. That's what we're looking for. All right, so as you can see, the chicken has got a nice golden color. This is what we want to achieve. It gives it a nice crispy edge to it, and it gives it a caramelization, which is what we want to get on our chicken. Now, as this cooks, since it's the second side, we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add our chopped shallots, and we're going to stir those around with the chicken. Now, see, we got nice color going on there. Now, we're going to use about a half a cup of white wine. What we're doing now is deglazing the pan. So what the wine does is brings up all the nice little brown bits at the bottom. Stand back because you don't want it to splash up on you, and just put it in. Perfect. That's all we needed. Again, give your pan a shake, move it around. So you can see we have great color. The shallots have cooked. The wine has started to reduce. Now to that, we're going to add a little of our whole grain Dijon mustard. So this is not a smooth mustard. This is a whole grain Dijon. So you're going to add a nice gentle stirring. Just follow your recipe. Goes right into the pan. Then we're going to add our heavy cream. Just a little bit of heavy cream, about a half a cup. And we're going to give a gentle stir. So everything, it's a one-pot dish. We're going to just stir it around. Blend all the shallots, blend our mustard. And as this cooks, the cream will thicken up and make our sauce. Okay, so here it is, and now we're going to let it cook. We're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. We want to make sure our chicken is cooked through. All right, so once our chicken is cooked through, then we're going to add our spinach. The spinach is this baby spinach. It's just going to wilt right into the pan. I have some baby spinach here. So this is going to add some color, and it's just going to pop up the whole dish. And again, just give it a shake. And you're going to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you find that you need a little more liquid, you could add a little more wine or a little chicken stock to thin it out. Okay, so we've added our spinach. The chicken is cooked through. And now we're ready to plate. So what I've done, I have a plate here. I like a nice steamed green beans. I think it's very complimentary to this dish. It's very simple. We're going to put a couple pieces of chicken on. So our chicken is done. We've added our spinach. The sauce has thickened up beautifully. We've plated it, and we're just going to put a little bit of sauce on our chicken. And there's our chicken Florentine and Dijon sauce.